On VEuPathDB, we have hundreds of different organisms. This might be a little bit overwhelming when you're looking at your search results if you're interested in a specific organism. To pick your organism of choice, you can select the My Organism Preferences button in the top right-hand corner below the site search box. Once on the My Organism Preferences page, you can choose which organisms you would like to keep. There are a few different ways to do this. I will show you one now. So I'm going to clear all, and then I'm going to select my organism of choice, which will be Anopheles today. You can be as broad or specific as you like. I'm just going to choose Anopheles, but you can choose such things as Anopheles can be pest. Then I'll press apply. I'm going to also pick another organism, which will be Plasmodium. Again, I'm just going to pick Plasmodium, but you can pick Chabaudi or Plasmodium falciparum 3D7. Whatever is your organism of choice. I'll press apply again, and then you can see over on the right hand side, this now shows that you have 76 out of 539 organisms selected. These are all the Plasmodium and all the Anopheles organisms that we have in VEuPathDB. You then might use a site search to search for NLAs. With My Organism Preferences enabled, you'll see the search results just return results for the organisms that you selected. So we have Anopheles and Plasmodium, and here you can see them for Anopheles atroparvis, Anopheles culus facies, and lower down you'll see genes that have returned for Plasmodium species. At any point during your search, you can disable the organism preferences in the top right hand corner. Once you disable this, the results will load again, and you will see that the organism list at the side increases, and that will be showing results for any organism that has a result in VEuPathDB for NLAs. This bar will stay present throughout the searches and using the tools on Vectorbase, so you can always have it enabled or disabled whenever you feel like it. If we look at another search, if we look at predicted signal peptides, we can see that we've got it disabled at the moment, and there are 460 species here. This is just to do with, this is slightly different to the 539 because this is to do with the annotated and unannotated genomes. The 539 includes both, and when you have when we're looking at signal peptides, this is just the annotated genomes. When we enable My Organism Preferences, we can see that this number reduces down to the 75 organisms that we chose. So I hope you enjoyed that little roundup of how to use My Organism Preferences on VEuPathDB.